Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Laurent from thunderlaser. Today, let's experience the unboxing together. We will take this Titan from crate to the first engraving, showing you how industrial performance meets simplicity. Just stick around to see this beast in action. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so here are the 4 tools you will need to perform the unboxing of the Titan. First, hammer. Second, a big knife in this style. The third one is the crowbar. And finally, an electric screwdriver. Now, let's get this crate open. The Titan arrives in heavy-duty packaging with every component meticulously protected. Notice the custom foam, engineered to ensure everything arrives in perfect condition, ready for action. Before we go any further, we need to open the machine door and remove these crucial accessories, the USB key and Titan keys. With the crate open, let's check what's inside. Everything you need is right here. From a toolbox with all needed accessories and cable, to all important USB documents that are stored in the USB drive, and one of the most important, this is the settings for the offset that you will have to input in LaserMaker later. And you will also find inside the needed accessories to connect your Titan to the exhaust fan system. Now that we've cleared the interior, let's position the Titan. It's in your home. Find a stable surface, lock all the 4 wheels, and adjust the feet until the machine is perfectly level. This stability is key for consistent and high-quality results. With the machine positioned, we connect his lifelines. The exhaust system is absolutely essential. It vents fumes safely outside. Remember, never operate your laser without these systems connected and running. Now, we are ready for power. Connect to a dedicated outlet and double-check the voltage compatibility. Then, plug in the Ethernet or USB cable as your convenience. It should be plugged before switching on the Titan. Then, locate the emergency stop and give it a clockwise turn to reset. Here we go! Turn the key and watch as the Titan awakens. The LEDs illuminate and the touchscreen comes to life. And just like that, we're ready for the next step. Now, let's connect the brain and the touchscreen. Navigate to the network setting. The Titan automatically configures its own connection. Just note this IP address, 1 per connection type, and that's simple. With the connection established, let's set up the software. Install LaserMaker, add your Titan in the device manager, and fill in the IP address you just got before, depending on your connection type. And let's unleash the beast! So, there you have it, your Titan unboxed, set up, and ready to tackle any project you throw at it. If you're ready to bring this level of performance to your workshop, click below to book a demo or get a quote. Subscribe for more tips, project ideas, and deep dive into what makes thunderlaser so special. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys, see you!